Hi everyone! Welcome to our English vocabulary series. Today, we're exploring some of the most common and useful words that start with the letter B. From baby to bunch, we'll learn meanings, examples, and how to use them in daily life. Let's get started. Baby, a very young child. The baby is sleeping. Bad, not good or of poor quality. This is a bad idea. He's a bad driver. The weather is bad today. I have a bad feeling about this. She has a bad cold. He's in a bad mood. The milk smells bad. They had a bad day at work. In English, we usually say food tastes bad when the flavor is unpleasant, but when food is no longer safe to eat, we say it has gone bad, is spoiled, or is off, rather than just bad. The soup tastes bad. This coffee is bad. The milk has gone bad. This meat is spoiled. The yogurt smells off. Badly, in a poor or incorrect way. He played badly. He was badly injured in the accident. The company badly needs more workers. The plan was badly organized. She sang badly during the show. I badly want to finish this project today. Baggage, bags and suitcases for travel. Please collect your baggage. Bake, to cook food using dry heat in an oven. She baked a cake. Baking powder, a powder used to make cakes rise. Add baking powder to the mix. Ballerina, a female ballet dancer. She is a famous ballerina. Ballet, a type of classical dance. She studies ballet. Bang, a loud sudden noise. The door closed with a bang. Bark, the outer layer of a tree. The bark is rough. Bark literally means the sound a dog makes. Example, the dog barked all night. However, bark up the wrong tree is a fixed expression and should not be understood literally, meaning to be wrong about something or to look for the answer or blame in the wrong place. If you think I took your phone, you're barking up the wrong tree. This expression comes from hunting. Dogs used to bark at a tree when they thought their prey was there. If they chose the wrong tree, they were barking in the wrong place, just like someone who is mistaken. Bartender, a person who serves drinks in a bar. Ask the bartender for a drink. Bartender is the more common and gender-neutral term used today, especially in modern and American English, while barman is more traditional, more British, and usually refers to a man. Basin, a bowl for holding water. Fill the basin with water. Wash basin, a fixed basin for washing hands and face. The sink is a wash basin. A wash basin is a bathroom fixture used for washing hands and face, while a sink is a more general term and is commonly used in kitchens for washing dishes and food. Sink is used for both the bathroom lavabo and the kitchen fregadero, and the context usually makes it clear which one is meant. For lavabo, sink is the most natural everyday word, while wash basin is more formal and often used in hotels, signs, or technical descriptions. Basketball, a sport played with a ball and hoop. He plays basketball. Bathtub, a large container for bathing. The bathtub is full. Baths, the act or place of bathing. The baths are upstairs. Bathrobe, a robe worn after bathing. She put on her bathrobe. Bathroom, a room with a toilet and sink. The bathroom is clean. Bearded. Having a beard. He is bearded. Become, to start to be. She became famous. I became tired after working all day. She became aware of the problem too late. Belong. To be owned by someone. This bag belongs to me. Bend. To make something curved. Bend your knees. You need pliers to bend the wire properly. Bend down. To move your body lower. Bend down and pick it up. Best. The highest quality. This is the best option. This is the best movie I've seen this year. He's the best player on the team. She did her best to help us. At best, we'll arrive by noon. Best of all, it's free. You need to be your very best. Nicole, I wish you both the best. I wish you all the best. Happy New Year. Best wishes for the new year. Best wishes for a happy and successful new year. We have little time, so let's make the best of it. Parents often think they know best. In the best case scenario, we'll finish by Friday. We'll finish by Friday. The meeting is on Friday. I'll be busy until Friday. Sometimes, despite our best efforts and best intentions, it isn't enough. Better, of higher quality than before. I feel better today. This phone is better than the old one. You'd better take an umbrella. I like coffee better than tea. Better late than never. Oh, this just gets better and better. I've been better. We can meet tomorrow. Better yet, today. I feel far better today than I did yesterday. This solution is far better than the previous one. Beware. Be careful or alert. Beware of the dog. Bifocals. Glasses with two focal lengths. She wears bifocals. Binoculars. An optical device with two lenses used to see distant objects more clearly. He looked at the birds through his binoculars. Bin. A container for waste. Throw it in the bin. Blank. Not filled in. Sign the blank check. The coach was given a blank check to rebuild the team. Giving the star player a blank check can hurt the club financially. White refers to a color, while blank means empty, with nothing written, filled, or remembered. He left several questions blank on the exam. When the teacher asked him, his mind went blank. Bleed, to lose blood. His fingers started to bleed. Blind, a window covering. Open the blind. Bloom, to produce flowers. Roses bloom in spring. Blossom, a flower or flowering. The cherry trees blossom in early spring. Bouquet, a group of flowers. She received a bouquet. He gave her a bouquet of flowers for her birthday. Bunch, a group of things together. A bunch of keys. He grabbed a bunch of keys from the table. A bunch of students were waiting outside the classroom. I bought a bunch of bananas at the market. Bunch, a casual way to refer to a group of flowers held together. It doesn't have to be arranged in a fancy way. Often used in everyday situations. Example: I picked a bunch of daisies from the garden. Bouquet. A more formal or decorative arrangement of flowers, often given as a gift or used for special occasions like weddings or celebrations. Example: she received a beautiful bouquet of roses on her birthday. Great job today! Now you know how to use words from baby to bunch in everyday English. Keep practicing, and soon these words will feel natural. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next video in the series.